Choosing the right chemicals for your detailing cabinet can be intimidating. Other brands have so many options that when you go to purchase, you're not even sure you're getting the right thing. Let's break down what Eastwood offers and how you should use it. The first thing you're going to do when washing your car or truck is use some soap. We made it easy for you. You have two options, Cera-Kleen and our Wash and Wax. The Cera-Kleen is my favorite option. This is a high quality soap that's actually going to leave a ceramic coating behind after you're done washing. Now the Wash and Wax is a great option if you're not a fan of ceramic coatings. This is just going to leave a standard layer of wax behind. The benefit of using the Cera-Kleen is that ceramic coating is actually hydrophobic, which means it's going to help repel water down the road. Both of these can be applied with the Eastwood foam cannon and scrubbed with a wash mitt to really remove any dirt or debris. All right, next up is your tires. And for this, we kept it real simple. We have a non-acid based wheel and tire cleaner. The non-acid part means you don't have to worry about chemicals destroying the finish on your wheels. This is great for spraying all over your wheels, no matter what they're made of, and your tires for a really great all-in-one cleaner. The really nice part about this stuff is that because it's a high quality cleaner, it's going to foam and stick to your vertical surfaces and really break down the contamination. Simply scrub with a wheel brush and they're going to look brand new again. Another option we do have for wheels as well as paint is the Almost Clay decontamination spray. You can use this on the lower areas of your car that are prone to more serious brake dust and contamination, or on wheels that are obviously going to have a ton of brake dust. This formula is going to cling to your vertical panels and it actually changes color so you know it's working. You would use this after you've rinsed down the car, but before you spray or apply a car wash soap. Give it a good wipe with a wash mitt to remove the contamination, and then go ahead and rinse it off. You can then go ahead and apply your car wash soap. Now that you've washed the outside of the car, let's talk about keeping it clean and giving it a little shine. We have a couple options for both paint and wheels. Let's start with the paint. The first option is the best of the best and my personal favorite. This is our ceramic spray. You can spray this on your car after a wash to give it added protection. It'll give you a high gloss finish and it's designed to keep your paint cleaner for longer. The water-based graphene ceramic coating will actually last you up to 12 months. Think of this as a substitute for car waxes, paint sealants, and polymers. The best thing about this stuff is it's super easy to apply. On a cool, dry surface, spray this on and wipe with a high-quality microfiber. Once applied, you now have a water-repelling and chemical-resistant coating. This will adhere to all surfaces including paint, glass, chrome, stainless steel, leather, vinyl, plastic, and bare metal. So your options are endless. The other option you have is the ceramic quick detail spray. This is a hydrophobic graphene detail spray that's designed to add some gloss and depth to your car's paint. I recommend using this as a sealer after a car wash, or you can use this as a waterless dust cleaner for quick shines before a car show. This stuff will also do a good job of repelling water, keeping your car nice and streak-free. Another great thing about this stuff is that you can use it as a clay bar lube. So if you're planning on removing some stubborn dirt with a clay bar, pick up a bottle of this. The last thing you're going to need when washing your car is to make your tires look nice and shiny. That's where we bring in our trim and tire dressing. Just like the name says, you can use this on tires or the trim of your car. It will give vinyl, rubber, tires, plastic, and even leather a deep, rich shine. Now there's two kinds that we offer, a water-based formula and a high gloss, which contains silicone. Both will give you a brilliant shine, but the high gloss will give you just a little extra to make your car pop. If you work in environments that do body work or paint, you might want to check out the water-based formula, but both formulas will give you long-lasting UV protection. Okay, the outside of the car looks great. Now what? Gotta clean the interior, right? You get the carpet vacuumed, you're gonna need to wipe down your leather, vinyl, and center console. For general purpose cleaning, you can go ahead and grab a bottle of our interior cleaner and conditioner. This stuff will remove dirt, grime, and oily residues. So you know when you spilled coffee in the center console but never cleaned it up? Yeah, this will take care of that. Not only will it clean, but it will also restore the factory sheen. The conditioners in it will prevent fading and cracking, and again, it's even safe for use on leather, plastics, and vinyl. Spray it on and use in conjunction with one of our interior brushes, and you'll have a like-new interior. Now let's say you have some not so sanitary stains in your car, like blood, vomit, urine, feces, or grass. The best way to remove that is with our bio cleaner and odor eliminator. This stuff is non-toxic and non-corrosive, and it's even 100% organic. So it's not going to do damage to your seat or carpet, but it still eliminates the stains and odors at the source, so you don't have to see or smell any unsightly stains. Spray this on, let it work, and then give it a scrub with one of our interior brushes to remove any stains. You can even use this to clean up around the house after those pesky animals that you didn't really want. Now we're constantly developing more chemicals and tools to make detailing your car just a little bit easier. So make sure you check back at eastwood.com for any updates. If you want to learn more about the products we used in this video, click the link in the description and head over to eastwood.com.